Hey everybody, welcome back to another drawing tutorial. So today we're going to be drawing Lobo from the DC universe. So it's from Superman Man of Tomorrow, I think. So it's kind of cartoon sort of version, not comic book version of Lobo. So kind of a simple, easy version. So let's go. I'm on a landscape orientation page. Use a pencil and hit pause if I go too fast. Center point of my page is about here, and the eyes are along the center point in this one, right? So you're just right on the middle line of my page, and we just do his eyes. So we'll go like so, down around the bottom to there. So we're about eye width across. Measure your eye, fit it in. That's where you start the next eye. You go up, down to there. So his eyebrows take right up past his eye, out to the back, down to there. Right? And colour them in black. And he's got quite a bit of a frown as well. And we do the same thing on this side. And you can thicken up his eyelid line a little bit. And his eyes are red. He doesn't have any irises. Makes it easier for us. So like so. And so then sort of a frown line there. Yeah, that's a bit better. Okay, so his nose then. So we got like flat nose line across the front there. And then quite wide sort of diamond kind of shape for his nose coming out here. Like so. And then his nostril comes out here. Same on that side. And then down towards his nose in the center there. Doop. Right, so his mouth. So he's got like a gnarly sort of smiling, big smile mouth. Just here. And he's got a cigar sticking out, right? So this is like a closed mouth sort of smile, say, and just below this then we'll add the cigar sticking out of his mouth. So it just comes out from his teeth. He's like biting down on it, smiling. Like so. And then it's got like, you know, lines on it like that. And some like smoke coming out. You don't have to draw on the smoke if you don't want to. You could put it in. Like so. Right, so then his mouth comes down. Bottom. Like so, and then he's got like teeth, like so, coming across, like jaggedy sort of teeth all there. And they all go in kind of different directions. They're not... He doesn't have good teeth, let's put it to you that way. Okay. Like so. So his chin, just down here. So he's got a beard, right? So it's a pointy sort of chin down there. And then this comes all the way up to his jaw. to there, to there, right? Up. Like so, right? So real long. And then like proportion wise, so we're not really in, his face isn't really in standard human proportion, but I guess eyebrow to nose is about the same as nose to, say, where his beard starts, right? So his beard to start about here, say his bottom lip. So eyebrow to nose, about the same as nose to that sort of bottom lip area. So this is halfway between here and here. And then the beard comes out from there. Spikes up then behind his cigar here, and then comes down, and then we go up the other side, and then comes down this way. So like this sort of schmig sort of thing, and it can have some texture lines and hair lines just there. And then he's got like these cheek marks coming down to there, coming down to there, and then sideburn. And then sideburn going up this way. So the sideburns are pretty long on a Lobo. It goes up like so, up to there, like so. Right, so, and then his hairline comes up like this, kind of spiking kind of thing, going the whole way across. Like that. And then he's got those lines around his eyes, right? So those sort of, you know, like Spawn sort of lines going around his eyes. Goes up to there, and then like so. And some wrinkle lines, some lines around his eyes here. Like that. Okay, so ears sticking out here, just behind that smoke. Ears sticking out here, behind the smoke. And you can do bones and ligaments inside, easiest way, letter J. And you can add more if you want. There isn't much more in this animation than that. So his hair, right? So let's see. So we got like long hair coming down here. First. So he's got like a hard rock hair or something. I don't know, like classic rock, sort of 80s glam rock hair. So coming down here. This goes up, then sort of behind his ear. Behind that smoke to there. Right, so then he's got like a big collar sticking out here. Comes down here, and then his jacket comes off that way. And the collar on this side. Am I right? Does that come out from his ear? Yeah, comes out from his ear. And then goes down that way. Down to there. Down to there. And then that way. That way. That way. and then neck muscles. So that's like collarbones, and then neck muscle lines here, and a line coming down there. And the rest of his hair then comes out from this. So like real big, crazy big hair, right? So lots of big hair spikes. So like ridiculously big hair. Like so. So all going in that direction, and like so, and some like lines, texture lines coming up his head. Right, so shoulders. So he's got like spikes on his shoulders. Right, and then a shoulder, and then another spike. And then this comes off. His sleeve is ripped, sort of like that. And then his shoulder will come out and down that way. And there's no like muscle lines or anything, but we'll add one. Then maybe like some clothing lines or something going that way. Texture lines, fold lines on his clothing. Same on this side then. And shoulder comes off down my page, off that way. Maybe a shoulder line there. Maybe like something there. Sort of fold lines. The rip sort of line there. Right, but I think that'll do. That, my friends, is how to draw DC's Lobo from Superman Man of Tomorrow, I think. Hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.